Okay, if you're using Instagram to grow your business, you already know that shares are absolute gold. But figuring out how they actually work, yeah, that can feel like trying to crack a secret code. Well, today, we're not just cracking the code, we're giving you the entire playbook for growth.
It's the big one, right? The question that drives every single creator and business owner crazy. You put out this amazing piece of content, you see that share number ticking up, but then nothing. Who were they? Who are these people helping you out? It's a huge mystery, and we're going to solve it right now.
And look, this isn't just about stroking your ego. For anyone who's serious about their Instagram strategy, knowing who is sharing your content feels absolutely essential. It's how you understand your audience, your impact. It feels like everything. So let's get right to it. Can you see who shared your post? The short answer is kinda, sometimes. But honestly, that's not even the right question to be asking. The real secret, the key to unlocking growth, isn't about chasing down a list of names. It's about understanding the why people share in the first place, and then building your whole strategy around that. All right, so let's get into the nitty-gritty. What does Instagram actually let you see? This is where all the confusion comes from, because the rules are totally different depending on how your stuff gets shared. This breakdown makes it super simple. On one side, you've got story shares. If someone with a public account shares your post to their story, boom, you get a notification, you can see exactly who it was. But if they share it any other way, like sending it in a DM to a friend or to another app, it's a black box. It's totally private. All you'll ever see is that number go up in your analytics. And you might be wondering, why? Why the secrecy? Well, it all boils down to one really important thing: user privacy. Think about it. When someone sends your post to their buddy in a DM, Instagram sees that as a private conversation, just like a text message. And they're never going to break that trust. It's a core policy to make sure sharing feels safe for everyone. So, this is the moment where we pivot. This is the big strategic shift. Since you can't possibly chase down every single name, you have to change your focus. You need to stop worrying about the who and start obsessing over the data, the metrics that actually show you what's working and what's driving real growth for your business. And this right here, this is your new dashboard. Forget the names for a second and look at this: saves, reach, and engagement. Saves tell you your content is so valuable people want to keep it forever. Reach tells you how far and wide your message is spreading. And engagement, that's the heartbeat of your content. This is where the real story of your growth is told. I want you to let this one sink in because it's a game changer. A save is the most powerful signal you can get. When someone saves your post, they're literally saying, "This is so good, I need to come back to it." That tells the algorithm your content is top tier, and you can bet that posts with tons of saves are also getting shared like crazy behind the scenes. Now, turning these kinds of insights into a strategy that works again and again, well, that's where the real magic happens. If you're ready to build that kind of growth engine for your business, our team lives and breathes this stuff. Find us at mibilial.com and let's get started. Okay, so let's get into the how-to. Let's build the actual formula. We're going to stop asking who shared and start making content that is just impossible not to share. And here it is. Just remember to surf. First, is your content shareable? Is it super relatable, like a meme or a quote that just hits home? Is it genuinely useful, like you're solving a real problem with a quick tip? Is it relevant to what's happening in the world right now? And finally, is it fun? Is it entertaining or inspiring? If you can check these boxes, you are literally engineering your content to go viral. And on top of that, here are 3 pro-level moves. First, don't be shy. Ask for the share with a direct call to action. Second, design your posts so they look amazing when somebody reshares them to their story. And third, use the collaborator feature. It's like instantly doubling your audience and doubling your potential for shares. It's a no-brainer. All right, let's bring it all home. Let's boil this all down to one clear, powerful takeaway that is going to change how you look at Instagram forever. This is it. This is the mindset shift. Stop burning all that energy trying to figure out who shared your post. Instead, pour every ounce of that focus into creating so much value that your audience can't help themselves. They have to share it. When you make your content valuable, useful, and entertaining, the shares just happen. That is the real secret. So, are you ready to build a content engine that actually drives that kind of value and growth? We are here to help you design that exact blueprint. For a personalized strategy and a one-on-one consultation, visit us at mbil.com right now.